A recent phishing email campaign targeting over 27,000 users masqueraded itself as a notification for a WhatsApp voice message. The emails were sent from a hijacked corporate email account, probably to make him look more legitimate, but also made to look like an official WhatsApp notification message. Once a recipient is clicking on the play button, then they are redirected to the installation of an information stealing trojan. And such malware has become quite popular nowadays. The main goal is of course to steal any stored credentials from the user. That's from browser, cryptocurrency wallets, and applications like FTP, VPN or SSH clients. These stolen accounts are then either sold on the dark market or used directly for further attacks. Of course, a vigilant user might notice that the WhatsApp app automatically downloads any new voice messages and will never send you an email with a notification. Acronis' advanced email security pack ensures that phishing emails are filtered out before they reach the user's inbox and before they can do any damage to the system.